and share screen. And okay, share. All right. So can you all see my screen?
Yes, sir.
All right. Where's this guy? Where's this guy? All right, this is the guy. So that file I gave to you guys, hello, can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
So you have to create another folder. Create another folder inside. Create another folder inside that htdocs. You remember the htdocs folder now?
Yes.
So let me go there. Oh shit, this guy has come up again. All right. So the htdocs folder. Do I have any folder open here? All right. So let's go. This PC, localhost, exam, htdocs. So inside this htdocs folder, create a new folder, and maybe this one you call it. What are we going to call it? Just call it
Bootstrap.
Yeah.
I don't understand the
Who is talking? Who is talking, please? Esther.
No. Pamela.
Okay, Pamela, did you let her install the XAMPP?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, okay, this is it. If you didn't install the XAMPP, then just do it the normal way you've been doing it. Don't go to any htdocs folder. Just create a normal folder where you've always been creating it. Let's work that way. But for those that install XAMPP, they are the ones that will go through this process. So where have you been saving your website files? Hello, Pamela.
I'm with you, you said?
Where have you been saving your website files?
On my desktop.
Yes, create a file on your desktop again. Who is this one again? This thing has started again.
You see, who is this one again?
Are you sure you're not the one doing it?
I'm not the one. This is the second time this thing is happening.
Yes, the second class.
It's all good, Sha. Let's continue. Whoever the person wants, he can't get it.
Bootstrap.
Yeah. So create.
I saved mine as Bootstrap class. So.
Yeah. It's cool. Save it as Bootstrap.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody.
Hey, Odogu one.
So save it. Please, let's continue.
No,
Let's continue. Save it as Bootstrap
_ class.
Yeah, Bootstrap _ class. So Pamela, you can save yours on your desktop, okay?
Please, Cassie, please record your screen. I'm not with my PC. I'm using my phone. I'll switch to my PC shortly.
I'm recording. Don't worry, I'm recording.
Thank you.
Yeah. So if you've done that, head back to your Sublime. This is not the Sublime. Yeah, head back to your Sublime. So when you're on your Sublime, are you all here?
Yes, sir.
I'll be a bit fast today. I put on this AC now, my unit to finish. All right, so let's continue.
So some of us will get light too.
So
maybe because for you.
Click on open folder.
Open folder, okay.
Yeah, when you click on open folder, now locate that Bootstrap folder you created. That Bootstrap class, locate it. Open it on your XAMPP.
Yes, sir. Then select folder.
Yeah, select folder, open it on your XAMPP. If you're there, say hi.
Hi.
All right.
Hi.
Now, those files I give to you, that particular file, copy all the folders, copy them and paste it inside this BS4 folder.
BS4 quoi?
Yeah, this Bootstrap class folder, sorry.
You reached to ask.
No, now look at the BS4 now. Look at the BS4 here. You know what? The folder I gave to you
Copy
is,
it.
look at it. All these
Where are
files
we
now.
pasting it?
All these files here. Copy it. Then put it inside this Bootstrap class. Paste it here. Yeah.
Okay.
If you have done that, say hi.
Hi.
All right.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
So let's continue. So now, are we all here?
Yes, sir.
If you're here, say hi. Let me know how many people that are saying hi.
Hi. Francis is here.
All right.
It's
Esther,
more
are we
hard.
good?
Yeah, I'm done.
All right. We have Baba today online. Okay, that's cool. So let's continue. So now, right click here, go to this folder, right click and click on new file.
New file.
Yeah. Save it as index.html as usual.
Save as index.html.
HTML, yeah. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
All right, if you've saved it as index.html, get your normal HTML document structure.
Okay. Yeah, good.
Hallelujah, this tab work for me today. Anything I write this HTML, they can tab, they ever work. Today it work.
Let's continue. So,
Me, I don't know where tab is, so.
you don't know where tab is on your keyboard.
But I'm sure doing it.
All right. So in your title, there are certain things I won't be explaining again because I've already explained them. In your title, just put Bootstrap.
Wait, to Jesus Christ. I need keyboard light. Keyboard light. Keyboard light. Boss, 1 minute, too.
1 minute is too much.
I won't get
1 minute
light.
now.
60 seconds.
Are we good? Can we continue, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure.
So now, look up here. Remember I told you something about external CSS. What we did, we have done internal and inline CSS, but we have not done external, right?
Yes, sir.
And I told you external CSS, that one you create a CSS file in a different file entirely and link it in your document. So here now we are going to link Bootstrap CSS. Now Bootstrap has ready-made CSS. All you just need to do is to be calling classes and everything will be working for you.
Okay.
So now let's link it. Link. Just press link, type link, and press tab. It will give you this. But if your tab doesn't work, type it the way you're seeing it. So this link means I want to link a file to this page. And the file, the relationship of that file to this page, that file will be our style sheet. And the type is text/CSS. CSS stands for cascading style sheet. Then href is where you link the file, that you point to the location using href.
Are we still here?
You don't finish, oh.
All right, so now this is what you do. Now, if you look at your document 3, can you see your document 3 here?
Mm-hmm.
So first of all, you see your CSS folder, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So the first thing you do, you type CSS, which is the CSS folder, slash. You now click on that CSS folder. We are looking for this file, bootstrap.css. So you type
bootstrap.css.
Yeah, bootstrap.css. That's the file we are looking for.
Hello.
Are we good? I'm waiting for you.
Is it the folder bootstrap.css? I mean, it's
No,
the
the
one
first
with the hash, the one with the
see,
star on it.
listen first, listen.
Mm.
First of all, you locate the folder which is CSS slash. Now look at this file. Bootstrap.css is just bootstrap.css. It doesn't have any other thing. Bootstrap.css.
There's only one folder that has it.
Yeah.
I've seen it.
Have you located it?
Yes, I mistakenly clicked on it.
Just look. If you have seen it, just put the name here. Go back. Yeah, just go back to your index. Put the name here. If we are good, say hi.
Hi.
All right. So if you have linked it, come back to your body, inside your body. Let me show you how it works. Do something like div. Give it class of BG danger.
What's the meaning of this, sir?
I'll explain. Give it class of BG danger. Then inside here, just say an NBSP. Save it. Open this stuff in your browser. You know how to open it in your browser, right?
Yes, sir.
Hope you all have started your XAMPP. So when you come here, what if you want to open it to your browser? You say localhost / what's the name of that folder?
Bootstrap class.
Yeah, bootstrap class. Bootstrap_class. Have you seen that red there?
Sorry, I didn't get the code.
Which code?
Class BG danger.
Yeah, class BG-danger. Save it and open it in your browser.
What's this? An NP.
It means a non-breaking space. For instance, in HTML, if you type hello Kaswini, it will give you just this guy. And if you want more spaces here, if you put spaces here, the space will never appear. It will still be just one space. But if you want as many spaces as possible, use MBSP. So if I say I'm
not seeing anything on my own page.
If I say and
What?
MBSP, and I copy it and paste it as many times as possible, you see that there will be many spaces between the hell and the Kaswini. Have you seen it?
Yes.
Okay, that's what MBSP does. That's the only thing it does. Hello, who said she's not seeing anything?
Yeah, okay. I haven't typed something.
Me too, I can't see anything.
Just type, put MBSP and NBSP.
I'm not talking about the NBSC, is the
browser.
After, yes.
You're not seeing this red background.
No, sir.
Check your CSS code. You didn't link it well. Hope you extracted the file in that zip. You extracted the zip file, Abi?
Yes, sir.
And you pasted it in that folder.
Yes, sir.
Did you copy the files inside the zip folder and paste it, or
I've seen it.
Yours is working now?
I didn't put the NBSP.
Okay. So, Akwa, please fix yours. Mr. Francis.
I'm with you. I'm doing that.
All right. Leonard, are we good?
It's not appearing for me.
Uh-oh.
It's telling me object not found.
You have not called your folder very well. What is the name you use in saving that folder in your htdocs?
Check the spelling.
Check the spelling.
They have one kind.
Me too, I did mistake in the bootstrap.
Okay, yeah. Actually, yeah.
Patient
You have seen it, right?
I've seen it, but then
They
that
go tell the others say they don't
Please, who is talking on the background now? Help us.
meanwhile, the patient don't make any patient when they stay, don't make you start
I hear me.
they
We
go
will remove
isolate them
you.
I'm coming.
into a place where those others cannot be seen.
But Casey,
They get
Yeah, I can hear you.
this and MBSQ appeared as a text.
It's because, look at it, you didn't write it very well. And MBSP and it ends with semicolon, end yours with semicolon, it will work.
NBSQ.
MBSP.
Check your screen now. Jesus. Me, I go first slap you. Yeah.
They look the same, it's just that they are inverted.
Is it working now?
Oh yes.
Now change that danger, this big danger, then change it to success.
What
Really?
kind of names of colors with this now?
Change it to success. That is
Am I
good.
changing the whole BG danger? Or be just
Look
danger
at my
success?
screen, bro. Look at my screen.
Be checking your this thing now. Your
Leo, look at his screen now. Observe his screen. Some things you don't need to
My
ask
laptop
himself.
screen not too big now, so I can switch from the Zoom and my browser. That's why.
hey,
minimize one. Minimize the zoom on your screen. Then you.
I wanted to see. You know
This
the
guy, what's up with you now? People have been using this stuff. You're delaying us. Look at the screen. Fix this stuff.
No, I've done it. You're just the one asking.
Then change that success again to warning and check.
One
Yeah.
size green.
I think they happen today now. I think they happen today.
Have you done that?
Strange. Yellow.
Change the warning to info.
Wow. Info.
Have you done it?
Yeah, same color as Zoom.
Change the info to primary.
Primary.
can discuss them. I mean, level.
Are we
Out of
good?
170.
Yeah.
This should be discharging nothing less than.
Mr. Francis, where are you? The person on your background is disturbing us. Are we good?
Yeah,
we are.
Change the primary to secondary.
My whole school.
Okay. Yes, you are good, though. So, boss.
Yeah, I can hear you.
So without the NBS, you won't get any color.
No. That one is just for you to see what you're doing.
Wait now. Initially, I did not type MBS and I could not see anything on my.
You will see it, but it will be very small. It will be tiny at the top. It will be very tiny. That MBS is just to show that there's content inside the div so that you see the color very well.
The secondary, there's nothing on the screen. Okay.
You didn't spell your secondary very well.
I mean, make I check your spelling, I beg. My secondary and your secondary are the same.
Then it should work now if others have been working.
Secondary is up like deep green.
Yeah, it's working. It's working in yours, right? All right, so let me show you what we want to achieve. Where is that website we wanted to achieve, first of all? Let me see it. Localhost /bs4 if it's training.
PS4.
All right, this is what we want to achieve, right?
Today.
This is what we want to achieve. So we are starting from wherever we are starting. So first of all, if you look at this stuff, we have red, green, yellow, and blue here, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, I want to teach you guys something. Once you understand this thing, you will be able to build any website with Bootstrap. You'll be able to design Conga sites. Now, in CSS, I said from here to here, from this end to this end is what? Is how many percent?
100.
100.
Now, in Bootstrap, from this place to this place is :4.
The full length.
From here to here is :4.
Sorry,
Yes.
show it again.
I say from this end to this other end in CSS is 100%. In Bootstrap, from this end to this end is :4.
Oh, yes, sir.
Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I say from this end to this end is :12. Sorry, it's not :4, :12. Are we good?
Mm-hmm.
That person talking, don't come and ask me question again. From this end to this end is :12 in Bootstrap. Now, if from here to here is :12 and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, what are we going to do for these 4 guys to sit side by side?
Column 3 each.
Yeah?
Divided by 4.
Column 3 each.
Very correct, column 3 each. So divide it by 4.
Very dull people.
So let's continue here. Now, look at my screen. Div. Everything in Bootstrap is class. So I'm giving it a class of container dash fluid. Now, inside here, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Inside here, I create another div. I give it a class of row. Now, listen. For everything you're seeing sitting by side in this website, they are inside separate rows. This red, green, yellow, and blue, they're inside one row. This effix and this name, they are inside another row. This page, this part now, and this image, they are inside a separate row. So each row holds content that are sitting side by side. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is the first row. So now inside here, you said we are going to divide those guys by 4. So what we are going to do now is div
No, by 3, not 4.
by 4 to get what 12 divided by 4. These guys are 4 now. Is it not 1, 2,
3
3?
times 4 is 12.
So we are dividing. Who is saying this thing? Don't you know maths?
We are dividing.
Leo, listen, just listen to it.
See, now because you know they watch in screen, connect with your phone now and be using with laptop.
Who is this? Who
I'm
is this
sorry.
man?
I understand.
Phone,
Look
and
at
I'm
this
using my
stuff. We
laptop.
have 1, 2, 3, 4. And the full length is 12. And we want these 4 guys to sit inside here. What do? We divide 12 by 4. And the answer will be 3.
Yes, sir. That's what we are saying. Container
So
fluid.
when you come here, you say class. Now, call MD3. This is where we did the division. So now you now copy this guy. Sorry. You copy this guy and paste it, paste it, paste it. That means we have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That's 3 times 4, which is 12. Is there anybody that doesn't understand?
Oh, wow.
If you don't understand, tell me.
All this language that I don't understand. This call and this.
Now this call MD3 means column medium size 3. Okay. Column medium size 3. Column medium size 3. Column medium size 3. Now size 3 plus size 3 plus size 3 makes up 12. And I told you in Bootstrap that full length is 12.
Column.
Yeah.
Yes,
sure you understand?
Yes, boss. But this, why did you name this other class container fluid?
I'll explain. Just do this guy first. You see why I named it container fluid.
Okay. So div, another div,
Do it the way I did it, if not you make mistake. Do the first div and
Yes,
do this stuff, then copy it and paste it 3 times and you get 4 of it. We are running out of time. See, we have wasted a whole lot of time talking plenty things. Pamela, are you here today? Hello, Pamela.
You.
Yeah, Pamela, are you with us?
Yes, I'm here.
Are you following us at all? You have been very quiet. You have been very quiet.
Yes, I'm following.
All right. Are we good? Can we continue, please?
Wait.
You're not. Who is not following? Esther.
I'm here. I'm
You're not following.
I'm following.
Who says she's not following? Okay, nobody.
Okay.
Are we all good?
Yes, wait to.
So inside each of these class, the first one is red. Give it BG.
Boss, wait now. Wait first. Wait.
Danger. Everything is on the screen. You can still meet up. So the second one is what? Let me see the color. The second one is green. You give it BG. Success. The third one is what? The third one is yellow. You give it BG. Warning. And the fourth one is blue. You give it BG. Info. Remember to put NBSP inside each of the div and NBSP. So copy it, paste it inside each of the divs, paste it inside each of the divs, save it. Check your browser, please, if you're done. Look at my screen. I'm not closing it. So if you've achieved this, check your browser. If you get it, say hi. Bootstrap is very easy and sweet. Like, it's the easiest thing ever. I wish it
Not easier than WordPress.
You said?
I said it's not easier than WordPress.
Bootstrap is easier than WordPress. WordPress is not easy. Maybe your WordPress is only to use Elementor or WP Factory to just design website. Have you ever customized a theme? Have you gone to the code base of a WordPress site to edit the theme?
Yeah.
You have gone to the code base to edit the theme.
Nah, that's too deep now.
That's why you say it's easy. Hello, please, let me call you back later, okay? I'm in a meeting, I'll call you back later. All right, please don't be offended, I'll call you back later. I'm in a meeting right now.
Hey.
Is it working?
Oh.
Yes.
It's working, right?
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah.
All right. Now, let me show you the difference between container and container fluid. Now, look, remove this fluid. Leave only container, save it, and check your browser again.
Oh yeah, I get it. It's centered.
It's not centered.
No, I mean it's shrunk.
Now, I want to show you something. Oh, this person didn't hear me. Now, this is it. When you use container fluid, this stuff touches the edges. But when you use container, there is a margin, like if you see here now, we use container. You see this margin here, right?
Yes.
And you see this margin here is because we use container. But once you use container fluid, it will touch the edge. That is just the difference between container and container fluid. So if you're building a website, you don't need to start doing margin left, margin right again. Just use container to keep this space by these two sides, or use container fluid to touch the edges. That's all.
I was pushed out by NEPA.
You were pushed out by NEPA. Who was that? Who is that?
Esther.
Esther, yeah, sorry. But you're back online now, right?
Mm.
So that's the difference between container and container fluid. So if you use container fluid back, that guy will touch the edge. Let me check my own. So you can see my screen. This is my own, it's touching the edge. Are we good?
Yeah.
This is what we want to achieve. So now, are we all here? Let me confirm. Esther, are we good?
I'm just working.
Leonard, are we good?
Yeah, I think I'm good.
Vision implementer, I know you have a complaint to make.
Who be that?
Francis, are we good?
Yes, we are very good.
Pamela, are we good?
Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't hear you, Pamela.
Yeah, we are good. I'm done. Yes.
Vision
Yeah.
implementer, are we good?
I think I've overput this div.
I knew you have a problem.
This guy is always busting my
All
brain.
right, all right, let's move ahead. Vision implementer is my guy. I always fix him up, don't
I'm
worry.
correcting it.
All right, so now, you see, this is where this div started, and this is where the div ended. So we are going outside of this div before the body again. Create another div and call it, give it a class of container fluid. Oh, let's use container here. Let's see. You give it a class of container. Oh, let me reply this person.
All right. So I'm down, sir. Yeah, where are we now? Wow, even you said be no sabio. Why I do like this now? Don't worry, anybody will lost, I go laugh am. Let's finish here.
I'm trying to reply to this person that was calling me. All right, I'm done, so that everybody will be good.
Please keep replying. Let me finish.
So, yeah, so use container here. Now, I want you guys, people that are very smart, to think. Since here we did 12 divided by 4, which is 3, 3, 3, 3. Here, what are we going to do to get this guy? You know, here is bigger than here. So what are we going to do? This one, what would be the size of this logo, and what would be the size of this e-fix master class?
Listen out on master.
Eh?
Is this?
Please go back to your Sublime page. Let me see.
We are going, this is another row. We want to create another row now. See.
I think C3 and C9.
What, C3 and C9?
I'm not sorry, calling 3 and 9.
All right.
Nokia series.
So this is a new row. So you say this should be 3 and this should be 9, right? Hello?
Oh, I think.
Any other person? Any other trial?
I think 3 and 7, because
3 and 7 doesn't make 12 now.
Oh, it has to make the number.
Yes, you have to be up to 12. 3 and 7 doesn't make 12. I'm talking about
3 and 9.
3 and 9.
Yes. The iFix should be 3. Masterclass should be 9.
8 and 4.
Who said 8 and 4?
Francis.
Okay.
You go past Francis.
People are thinking out of the box. That's cool. All right. We are going to try it
We are
out.
2 and 10.
2 and 10.
All of us
Okay.
want to be mad.
It's cool. It's cool. I like it. So let's check it out.